Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is the Euro Tool Steel Scratch Brush. This thing is so cool. So if you're ever in need of a wire brush for cleaning up metal or whatever type of project you're doing, but you need something that's really, really tiny, this is the perfect tool. So as you can see, this one has been well loved and possibly stepped on, but still going strong. And the cool thing about this is that the steel wire material is refillable and you're actually able to advance it when you need more. So basically you use this to scratch off the surface of things, and as it wears down, you're able to just advance it like a mechanical pencil. So it is really, really cool. So we use this to prep an area for soldering, and it worked so well because it was such a tiny little space, and this was the perfect thing to get in there. So if you have metal work or other projects that you're doing that you need to prep the surface in a really tight space, this is the perfect tool. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.